So this is Soft Cozy sanitary napkin, straight cottony. Its size is large, 240 mm, and its MRP price is rupees 30, but we are providing it for rupees 19, and the single piece price is 1.99 rupees, and its weight is 9 gram. So I will, as you can see, I have taken here 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water. Through this you will get to see the small demo which I will show you how my napkin soaks the water of 100 ml, and it is biodegradable napkin. So I will show you a small demo as I am putting the water into my sanitary napkin. And this napkin is my cottony sanitary napkin, which have two types. One is dry net and another one is cottony. Cottony is best for them who have leakage in liquidy form, and dry net is best for them who have leakage in bulge form or in clot. So as you can see, I am putting water into my sanitary napkin so that it will get absorbed very well. Its MRP price is rupees 30, but we are providing it for rupees 19, and it's also is affordable to each and everyone. Now, as you can see, I have put in water on my sanitary napkin, and I will cut it by showing you. Cut it. As you can see, I am cutting my sanitary napkin into two equal parts. So see, this inside you are seeing orange color is gel sheet, means sap sheet, which absorbs the water and which also protect our skin from getting damages or from getting rashes. You will not get any rashes or any itchiness on your skin by using this product, and you can see it's not leakaging. See. So this is Soft Cozy sanitary napkin. I hope it will be useful to you all. So this product code is N94. So we can provide you as per your requirement. So I hope it will be useful. So thank you.